All right, so in conclusion,
Mhm.
a good vulnerability assessment program can be leveraged to ease the burden of compliance efforts. This also aids corporations in reducing their risk levels, perform due diligence, provide forensic data,
Mhm.
and generate reports which can be used as technology metrics. You will be adding yet another layer to your defense in depth and adding a peace of mind to your management team by creating a comprehensive VA program. Identifying those key vulnerabilities to your business and performing mitigation actions before those vulnerabilities can be exploited, that is actually at the very heart of what risk management is all about.
Absolutely.
Managing the risk, making it low. A successful comprehensive vulnerability assessment program helps you do that and will position your business for a safer, more secure computing environment.
That's right. Good luck on your vulnerability assessments.